Hey guys, it's Paul. I just want to do a really quick introduction video to Zoho ESAP, the Small Business Emergency Subscription Assistance Program. Times are tough. Our small business customers have always stood by us, so we want to do our part, stand by them. ESAP gives our severely impacted small business customers access to Zoho software they currently use free for 3 months. All Zoho customers with 25 employees or fewer have been severely impacted by the coronavirus-related downturn may apply. We will grant waivers based on the severity of disruption, industry, and other factors. So effectively, watch this video from the top dog, Sridhar Vembu. He's going to talk you through it. He's going to say if you've been impacted, you can apply for this 3-month waiver of your Zoho subscription. If you haven't, they really appreciate you carrying on paying and supporting other people. They're going to waiver the fees too. Who is this? Well, the program is for Zoho businesses, customers with 25 employees or fewer who are severely impacted. Small businesses have been key to our success. We want to pay you back. We expect that we will benefit more than 20,000 businesses. Before applying, please take a moment and consider if you really need this. If you don't need this program and apply it anyway, you will likely be taken from an organisation that does. So I guess they've only set aside so many slots available. So they're trying to say, please don't apply for it if you really don't need it. What programs? ESAP covers all Zoho applications, so it includes Zoho One. Customers currently use certain limits. Will apply for products priced on usage. So there might be some overage charges that you may still need to pay for, depending on who you are. Sorry. We all may see productivity. So there's going to be some little functionality to it. All applicants must apply for the ESAP by using the form below. So there's going to be a form down here somewhere, I guess. Apply here. Right. And you're going to obviously have to say your company. There's not a lot to fill out, is there? City, country, number of employees, has to be less than 25, remember. Zoho apps, that you currently use. Choose your service. So pick probably Zoho One if you want, or whatever you use. How is this business impacted due to current pandemic? How do you use the Zoho apps currently? I am making the request on behalf of the company. I make a pledge. So it's a really easy form to fill out. Remember Zoho. Remember if you're not using a lot of programs, look for Zoho Remote is free. 11 apps free to use, and some frequently asked questions there. So go to zoho.com/ESAP, ESAP, right? And you're gonna get if your business has been impacted by current climates, things are happening lately. Then you can apply for 3 months free subscription. So just an FYI, ask many questions. I can ask Zoho partner support anything. They'll help me out. I don't fully know the information on who applies, who doesn't, but it's definitely, if your company, of course, it's been impacted, it's going to be worth applying for that, isn't it? As always, paulnicholson.com. You know where I am. Come and join my forum. Come and join my Facebook group. Anything I can help with, I'm here to help. See you soon. Stay safe, guys.